topic, oil to AI. The UAE's $100 billion bet, welcome to the UAE, home to breathtaking skyscrapers, a booming economy, and now a $100 billion vision to transition from oil to artificial intelligence. But why is this oil-rich nation betting so big on AI? Let's dive in. For decades, oil has been the backbone of the UAE's economy. It fueled the nation's rapid development and global standing. But leaders here knew that oil wouldn't last forever. Enter Vision 2031, a roadmap for a diversified, future-proof economy. Artificial intelligence isn't just another tech trend. It's projected to contribute $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. For the UAE, it's not just about economic growth, it's about becoming a global leader in innovation. So, where's the $100 billion going? Think AI research labs, startup funding, and education initiatives. The UAE has even launched the world's first Minister of AI to oversee this transformation. The UAE's commitment to AI isn't just financial, it's about creating an ecosystem where innovation thrives, supported by government policies and global collaborations. From self-driving cars to AI-powered healthcare, the UAE is turning science fiction into reality. Take their Smart Dubai initiative. It's reimagining city management through AI, improving quality of life for millions. Of course, the road ahead isn't without challenges. AI ethics, global competition, and technological dependence are major hurdles. But the UAE isn't backing down. By 2031, the United Arab Emirates envisions becoming a global AI powerhouse. This isn't just about technology, it's about securing a prosperous, sustainable future for the next generation. So, can the UAE really pull this off? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, they're not afraid to think big, act bold, and invest in the future. What do you think about the UAE's $100 billion AI gamble? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on global innovation and technology trends. Thanks for watching.